So today we studied about what is the background of Power BI, how did it start from its initial stage using Excel, still current stage as a separate software competing with Excel with better UI and features. We saw how year by year what happened to Power BI development and how we landed up at Power BI. We also compared a Power BI with its competitors uh, in the Gartner's report, which is Quick Click View and W and ClickSense and other tools. And amongst all the tools we found, Power BI is way ahead of the curve and a market leader. At the same time, it is not expensive as its peers and it's used massively by huge corporations to quickly turn their data into digital dashboards. We also saw how to get download Power BI and use Power BI on your Windows machine. And we also saw different data sources to which Power BI can connect to. So in your backend, you can always think about any data source, what you can even imagine. There are ways and connectors to connect to Power BI. Overall, we studied these things, and now as we proceed in our next series, we would see how to view the Power BI desktop. The Power BI desktop, as I said, is an initial source of development, and that is the starting point where all the developers would churn in their data into a beautiful visualization of dashboard. With this, we conclude the first lecture and proceed to our next, which in our next series, we are going to study what are the different file menu options on the Power BI toolbar and how does it reflect on the Power BI software. Thank you. Till then, bye bye.